explain you guys how to use this application here so you can get the best results when using it. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the on screen of the application. Quite a lot of AI features that you can use. Down here you have some different AI features that you can use by just adding a photo of yourself or someone you want to turn in one of these AI stuff. But anyways, as you can see here, there's a lot of features that you can use. You have the talking photo option, you have the video avatar option, a lot of things. So for example, if you want the AI transformation feature here or want to try it out, I'm just going to tap on see all and pretty much see what I can do. So let's say I want to turn in Venom, then you can just tap on the Venom option.
10 toes in.
Tap on the Venom option there and then pretty much upload your picture of yourself and you'll pretty much be turning into Venom in no time. So that's pretty much it for that there. So it's very simple to use. Upload a clear photo of yourself and we get results like these. All you have to do is just select which one you want, upload a clear photo, and you're good to go. So same thing applies for all of these. Same procedure for all of these. Doesn't have to be an animal, can be a picture of someone, picture of you, whatever the case. The same thing for the talking photo as well. So down here is the video option. This here pretty much allows you to create AI video or duplicate of yourself. So at the top here you see video translator. This here is a duplicate of yourself. All you have to do is just upload a video of yourself speaking and it pretty much can turn that video into any language you want. So that's just basically the feature. So you can upload a clear video with face and mouth and everything, like how you can see this example here, and then we get a better results. So do make sure you do that, guys. And here down here you have the portrait mode. Pretty much uploading one image of yourself can give you all of these images. So one clear image of your face and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it for that section. You have the avatar section here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cloning an AI avatar is as simple
as you can see here. That's pretty much the feature that explains itself. So in the advanced option here, this is the light feature and this is the advanced option here. And as I can see here, it looks like the same person talking, but one is AI, one is not AI. So you can use this feature by just uploading your video and also add your voice as well, a recording of your voice. So that's pretty much it for that there. And do make sure you tap on this down here. So that's pretty much it for that option there. You can tap on the create video option and this pretty much takes the avatar, pretty much AI generation. You have the video option here, which I've just shown you guys, and also this one, photo avatar, pretty much making your photo speak. So very easy, very easy to do. All I have to get is a clear image of your face, or if you're doing any one of these, clear image, guys, or you won't get the best results. So for the pro option now, there's always limitations. So most of these features, you're going to need a pro subscription. As you can see here, the ones with the pro icon or the crown icon, you will need a subscription to use, or some of them can't use at all without a subscription. So if you tap on the AI tool option here, you can see a lot of features, which is pretty much the same thing that I've explained earlier. And same thing. Also, you got the topic to video, which is very different. But you just giving them or giving the AI a topic to speak on, it will generate a random video based on that topic. So a bit different, I would say. And you have the AI photo generator, which you can use as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I tap on the pro icon at the top there where it says pro, this is pretty much where you're going to get your pro subscription. So here, as I can see what we're getting and the prices of the subscription from 1 year to subscription. So it all depends upon you, what you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. And as I can see here, this is pretty much the free version, what I'm able to use. I won't get the maximum 180p or whatever this subscription offer, but it's just a limited version. So do keep that in mind. And over here, it will pretty much show all the videos that you have created with the application and photo as well. Also the unfinished video section here as well. So that's pretty much it. Missed anything, comment below. God love to help you out. See you in the next one.